under section 302, my lord.
How many years has he been in jail?
9 साल 10 महीने हो गए my lord. 17/5/2015 से जेल में है my lord. पैरा 32 of the judgment.
Body. Was incised with a right cheek at lower nostril to ear. Inside ear lobe size 8 centimeters to 1.5 centimeters. And so antemortem. Then this is right side chin margin 4x4, so it's incised one neck. So posterior superficial small. So size. Who is overthink? So oh, that's it. Okay. 3 in the chest. So size, location, little finger. Those things. What is the cause of death? Compression over neck. सांस घुटने से मरा है. Compression, asphyxia. Dead due to compression. Asphyxia. And here's compression of the neck. You got a fracture of the hyoid cartilage. But those who are not the cause of death was the fracture of the hyoid cartilage. This shows the spins of the incised pulled by some sharp object. The main reason is asphyxia. Yeah. What is this? Eyewitness testimony?
No, my lord. No eyewitness, no last seen witness, my lord. केवल 2 आधार पे कन्विक्शन हुआ है.
आधार किस पे?
2 आधार पे कन्विक्शन हुआ है माय लॉर्ड. उसमें माय लॉर्ड इससे एक लोहे का हथियार सीज हुआ था. उसमें कोई ब्लड सेंस नहीं पाएगा. FSL नेगेटिव थी. दूसरा ये कि ये जो लास्ट सेरेमनी थी मृतक की उसमें शामिल नहीं हुआ. इसलिए कोर्ट ने ये मान लिया कि इस आधार पे ये माना जा सकता है कि उसको ये दोषी है. इसमें 2 बयान हुए माय लॉर्ड, PW3 और PW6, जिनने ये बोला है कि 1 महीने पहले इसने मृतक को धमकी दी थी कि तुम हमारी वाइफ को छेड़ते हो इसलिए हम तुमको निपटा देंगे. केवल इसी आधार पे कन्विक्शन हुआ है माय लॉर्ड.
कब से अंदर?
17/5/2015 से माय लॉर्ड.
ये कौन सा है आपका एप्लीकेशन?
सेकंड. FIR against unknown person, my lord.
लाश कहाँ मिली थी, घर में कि रास्ते पे कहीं?
उसके
पब्लिक
खुद
प्लेस?
उसके घर
घर के
उसके घर के सामने थी।
कितने विटनेसेस थे प्रोसिक्यूशन के, मटेरियल
14
विटनेसेस?
material witness, my lord. 6 PW1 Dharmen, who is informed to the police, my lord, and wife PW2.
ये कौन है? This is Dharmendra. What is his relationship to the deceased?
The deceased
Brother?
brother का son.
Nephew?
Definitely.
Nephew.
वो बड़े पापा का लड़का था
Oh,
धर्मेंद्र।
deceased. जितेंद्र के घर। हाँ,
Suspected supported by each and the other witnesses.
that's only from the motive. But for a case of one and convict or something, in fact, go beyond motive. So by itself, it may be a component of circumstantial evidence, but you can't base the basis. जितेंद्र के घर के सामने नाम से
And
उस समय मैं घर पर था। सुबह 6 बजे सोकर उठा मैं जयेंद्र सिंह के घर के सामने पहुंचा तो देखा कि जयेंद्र सिंह उसके उठने पर खटिया पर सोया है। जयेंद्र सिंह का आधा मुंह he found him dead. उसके गर्दन में खामिया ने और सीज क्या हुआ था इससे?
इससे एक
चाकू,
बकर जब्त हुआ था, my lord।
हाँ, सिकल जैसा, हाँ।
PW9 exhibit P9 exhibit P9 my lord।
Exhibit P9
जब्ती पत्र। FSL रिपोर्ट my lord।
मौके पर पुलिस आई थी, फिर मैंने उसकी रिपोर्ट ली। अज्ञात थे आरोपी रणवीर अपनी पत्नी के झगड़ा किया करता था, किंतु वो झगड़ा nothing else. It is just this one witness.
on this
Same point. The rest of the witness, there's no eyewitness testimony. But this says on this point only of having seen the dead body.
Found the dead body and they were having blood. The victim was the big applicant was having doubt over the wife and he was having
The deceased. That is the only thing. You can get rid of those appeal itself. And yes. Can't deal. Where's the report of the FSL?
PW
Exhibit?
P9 exhibit 49 my lord।
Exhibit P49.
My lord।
43. 6.
की मात्रा पर्याप्त नहीं होने के बाद
47.
That
means, so
घर में नहीं मिला तो
how do you connect it? There is no connection.
My lord, केवल PW3 और PW6 ने ये बोला था कि 1 महीने पहले हमारे सामने इसने एक्यूज ने डिसीज को ये बोला था कि आप हमारी पत्नी को छेड़ते हो, हम आपको कर देंगे।
Yeah, the case of Beard.
और दूसरी चीज कि ये उनके अंतिम कार्यक्रम में शामिल नहीं हुआ, पत्नी ने ये बोला था इस कारण।
That is all. It's very. It's very. Anything else that you want to say? Why? Why should we not do it?
PW6
But they're on the same 1, 3, and 6. They're all at the same point that they found the dead body, and that the accused suspected that his wife and the deceased were in a relationship.
Yes.
But besides that, there is no other this thing. It's really heard on IE number so and so, which is. We argue will this thing record an acquittal in this case, finish it off. It's really here. The appellant has been, the present appeal has been filed by the appellant, who is agreed by the sentence of judgment and sentence of life imprisonment imposed upon him by the learned court below.